Hi, my name is Tim Haley. I'm here at Modex 2016 in Atlanta, Georgia. I work for Hyundai Forklift, and I'd like to talk to you about our new 6,000-pound diesel truck. This is our 30D-9. It's a Tier 4 final truck. It runs on an SCR system, which is a constant burn, so you don't need to worry about regenerating. With our 30D-9, what's unique about this truck is it's got a couple of extra features that I want to highlight that are unique to Hyundai in the industry right now. First of all, this is our standard Grammar seat, which is one of the most comfortable ones in the industry right now. Comes standard with a high-vis seat belt for safety and easy recognition. This truck comes standard with a Grammar seat, and in this position it allows the operator to enter from either the right side or the left side. This truck also has a directional control knob where your direction is determined on the switch here. Horn button is also located right here for easy access. This truck comes standard with a spinner knob for easy operator use. And this particular model also has a built-in rain guard for operator protection when operating outside. We offer our mono mirror so you can see 180 degrees from the operator standpoint. And one of the unique features on this truck that I think is incredible is the rear view camera. The operator has full visibility behind him. Thanks for visiting.